Sophia Leon.
And I'm Amber Montes.
And we're from the Enzyme Innovation Baking team.
In a recent survey, at least 73% of people said they would pay more for foods with clean and natural ingredients.
This is a problem for baked goods manufacturers. Without chemical additives, baked goods tend to be smaller in size and they tend to stale faster.
One solution is replacing chemical additives with natural enzymes. Enzymes are powerful proteins that help baked goods maintain their clean label while also offering a myriad of benefits, including extending shelf life and improving texture and crumb structure. But don't take our word for it, let us show you. To assess freshness and shelf life, we added our high-performance maltogenic amylase to high-fiber tortillas and tested the rollability, foldability, and texture. When rolled around a wooden dowel on day 35, the tortillas with high-performance maltogenic amylase were more rollable and stayed intact better than the control. When it came to foldability, the tortillas with high-performance maltogenic amylase could be folded without breaking on day 35. In comparison, those in the control group broke upon folding. The texture of tortillas with high-performance maltogenic amylase was softer than control group on day 35.
Like high-fiber tortillas, keeping whole wheat bread fresh for a longer shelf life is challenging without chemical additives. As a clean label solution, we study the use of the same high-performance maltogenic amylase in whole wheat bread. We found that whole wheat bread folded better than the control when we used maltogenic amylase. And also, slice firmness is a measure of softness, and the lower the readings, the softer the crumb. So we found that on average, bread with maltogenic amylase was 42% softer than the control. In a test for cohesiveness, the bread with maltogenic amylase stayed intact better and was less crumbly than the control. In our last study, we looked at fungal alpha amylase for improving volume in white bread. We found that white bread with the highest level of fungal alpha amylase tested had 8% more volume than the control.
In conclusion, our high-performing maltogenic amylase extended the freshness of high-fiber tortillas and whole wheat bread, keeping them softer and more flexible longer. In addition, fungal alpha amylase can be used to increase for clean label white bread.
To learn more, visit us at enzymeinnovation.com.